Alberta's interim chief medical officer of health is staying as just that, stating yesterday he has no plan to take on the role permanently. Filling that top job may be difficult, according to health professionals, because of Alberta's history of turning its back on health leaders. Nicole Weisberg reports.
Would you want to be the permanent CMOH?
No, my wife has told me no.
A very clear answer from Alberta's interim chief medical officer of health on whether he'd be interested in filling this role permanently.
The minister asked me to step up because there was a need. I'm stepping up and I'm trying my best to lead the team. And when the permanent person is found, I will step down.
Get protected, not infected.
A man who spent years in the position a decade ago says he's heard from colleagues across the country they're hesitant to step up.
Almost no CEO of Alberta Health Services ever made it to the end of their term without being interfered with the government. The most flagrant example, as I said, was the disgraceful way in which Dr. Hinshaw was treated.
Dr. Dina Hinshaw led Alberta through the COVID-19 pandemic before being fired in 2022. She was also hired, then immediately fired from a different role with Alberta Health Services.
The job comes with these tensions, these pressures for competing interests. And that political interference means, if you're a public health physician, that the government is not going to have your back.
Not having strong leadership is a major problem for all Albertans, says Dr. Paul Parks, pointing to the impact of the current measles outbreaks.
Not getting these diseases, that's the point of it. Anybody coming in with suspected measles, we can't use that room for 2 hours. And we have overflowing emerge department with chest pains and strokes, and it really impacts our systems.
The health ministry wouldn't say whether it's having trouble recruiting a new top doctor. It did tell us the process is ongoing, and we are dedicated to ensuring that we select a candidate with the experience, leadership, and qualifications to guide the province's public health efforts. Nicole Weisberg, CTV News, Edmonton.